Orma Vasantham is a music video album produced and presented by RDC 85 cadets of Kerala Lakshadweep contingent. The idea of a song originated during the lockdown days when the group ventured into creative initiatives. The nostalgic lines portraying everlasting friendship that originated in the RD camping days in New Delhi were written by Arun G. Mangalath. This poem was later elevated into an RDC 85 anthem and was visualized with the inclusion of photos and video clips from RD camp and later. Radhika and Rajagopal from Trivandrum, Rekha from Cochin, Jain from Palakkad, Leelama from Kannur, Ajit from Chennai, Lekha from Oman, Jay Prakash from Kuwait, Khalid from Saudi and Suman from US connected online and achieved this through a humongous collective effort spanning 2 months. The background work and the voices are all from the RDC 85 family. The anthem was sung by Sharavanan, Anjali Sam and RD 85 chorus. Orma Vasantham was released by Additional Director General of NCC, Kerala Lakshadweep Directorate, Major General Mandeep Singh Gill at Trivandrum on August 15, 2020, in the presence of Colonel Francis, Director NCC, and leading RDC 85 cadets.
Very good. Respected members of NCC 85 batch. It is my singular honor to stand here today and release this your love, a CD of your love, your affection, and your dedication to the NCC. Unfortunately, I am not being from this part. I don't understand the language too well. But as they say, music has no language. It is what touches your heart. May this association of yours and this bond of yours goes from strength to strength. I want you to release another one at your 50 years of your bonding also. If God permits, we have an RDC this year. I intend calling you, and the RDC contingent will see this. I will assure you this. They will see this, and you people will address them. Thank you, and God bless you. God bless all of you.
I am Rekha Matthews, Leader Human Resources, Nissan Motor Corporation. NCC is undoubtedly the biggest influencer in my life. Through NCC, I got a lot of opportunities to interact with people from all over India. This helped me to develop good people skills and gave me the confidence to communicate well. These skills are vital in the success of any career. I was fortunate to attend 3 national level camps in NCC. Camps like RDC pushed me to challenge myself and helped me to come out of my comfort zone and put forward my best. The discipline I learned from NCC helped me to remain organized at my work.
Really wonderful to have had that life of NCC. The platform that really molded me as a fine gentleman and has given a lot in terms of soft skills, hard skills, decision making, risk taking capacities, and what have you. And of course, the friendship and the networking that we were able to develop over time, that's unimaginable.
Even though 35 years pass by, if I close my eyes, I can still see a teenager who happily and proudly marched along with her team in RD 85 on Rajpath every Republic Day. Undoubtedly, whatever I have achieved in my life, I owe it to NCC. My life, my career as a security manager in Air India are both favors I have received from the NCC. My confidence and the agility with which I move around are just a few boons I received as an NCC cadet. My dear successors, if you are a C certificate holder who cherish the true values of NCC at heart, immense opportunities are awaiting you in the aviation field. Thank you, NCC, for making me a better person, my better life, my wonderful friends. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Suman. I live in the USA and I work in information technology in New York City. NCC has given me a lot of fond memories and a lot of intimate friends. To tell you what I gained from NCC, the several camps I attended, the Army Attachment Camp, the preparation camps for RDC, in all those, you have to train quite a bit. And you put in a lot of effort with pain sometimes, but the more effort you put in, the better result that you gain. So that is a life lesson for me. You practice, put in a lot of effort, and you definitely get the result. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ഹായ്, ഞാൻ ലീനാമ്മ, കണ്ണൂർ വനിതാ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ്റെ SHO ആണ്. ഞാൻ 1985 തളിപ്പറമ്പ് സർ സയ്യിദ് കോളേജിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന സമയത്താണ് NCCയിൽ ചേർന്നത്. RD പരേഡിന് സെലക്ഷൻ കിട്ടി ഡൽഹിയിൽ പോകാൻ സാധിച്ചത് ഒരു വലിയ ഭാഗ്യമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ കരുതുകയാണ്. NCCയിലൂടെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ലോകത്തിന്റെ വിജയിക്കേണ്ടതായിട്ടുള്ള മത്സരിച്ച് വിജയിക്കേണ്ടതായിട്ടുള്ള ഭാഗം മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത്. അതിനുശേഷം ഞാൻ പോലീസിൽ തന്നെ ജോലി ആവുകയും 30 വർഷമായി ഞാൻ സർവീസിൽ തുടരുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. വിവിധ പ്രതിസന്ധികളെയും പ്രതിബന്ധങ്ങളെയും തരണം ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് NCCയിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടിയ ഊർജം വളരെ വലുതാണ്. I love NCC very much. Thank you.
I am Ranjit Immati, presently heading Special Operations of Harrison's Malayalam Limited, a part of RPG Group. I participated in NCC activities, especially in Army Attachment and 1985 Republic Day Camp in Delhi. My experience and training I got from NCC helped me in my professional and my personal life. So I take this opportunity to tell you guys, you have to take the training and all the experience in NCC seriously, which will help you hereafter in your life.
Hi everyone, greetings of peace and good health. I am Dr. Lekha Nair. I work as an English professor in the University of Technology and Applied Sciences in the Sultanate of Oman. I am proud to say that I was, I am, and I will be an NCC cadet throughout my life. NCC has molded me in a very positive way. It has helped me to gain confidence in life and face life without fear. It has contributed to the overall development of my personality. It has helped me to see life in a better way. It has instilled a lot of patriotism in me and also sowed the seeds of national integration and international understanding. I always believe that professional life is an extension of personal life. NCC has brought discipline to my life helped me to organize my life and to face adverse situations in my life. My message to the budding NCC cadets is to feel honored for the golden opportunity they got to be part of the great organization. While I was in the NCC, I got a chance to participate in the Adi Parade in 85, and the subsequent year I could attend the Vayu Sena camp. I could do gliding, flying, parasailing and adventurous activities like mountaineering. It is a vast ocean of opportunities for a positive change in your life.
RDC 85 cadets present Orma Vasantam as a tribute to National Cadet Corps in gratitude of the wonderful opportunity that gave us exhilarating memories for a lifetime. Presenting Orma Vasantam.
വീരശലാകകളേ വാടാമലരുകളേ വാരുണി വിതറും അമരവിളക്കായി തെളിയും സുരഭില സൗഹൃദമേ വീരശലാകകളേ വാടാമലരുകളേ വാരുണി വിതറും അമരവിളക്കായി തെളിയും സുരഭില സൗഹൃദമേ
3.5 സംവത്സരമായി ദേശവിദേശ നിവാസികളായി 3-ാം തലമുറ വന്നിട്ടും ഇന്നും ഇഴപിരിയാത്തവർ സ്നേഹിതർ നാം.
NCCയുടെ ക്യാമ്പുകളിൽ കളിവീടു പണിഞ്ഞവർ സോദരർ NCCയുടെ ക്യാമ്പുകളിൽ കളിവീടു പണിഞ്ഞവർ സോദരർ പ്രിയാർഡിയിലും തീവണ്ടിയിലും ഒരേ മനസ്സായി നിന്നവർ കളങ്കമറിയാ സ്നേഹത്തിൽ തിലയെന്നുമറിഞ്ഞു വളർന്നവർ ിലെ ജനുവരിയിൽ പ്രിയ ദില്ലിയിൽ രജുപത് മാർച്ചുകളിൽ 85 ജനുവരിയിൽ പ്രിയ ദില്ലിയിൽ രജുപത് മാർച്ചുകളിൽ കൊടിയതണു പിൻകൂടാരങ്ങളിൽ അന്തികൾ പകലുകളാക്കി പാട്ടിൽ കൂത്തിൽ കളിച്ചിരിയിൽ ന്യൂഡൽഹിയും ആഗ്രയും കണ്ടവർ വീരശലാകകളേ വാടാമലരുകളേ വാരുണി വിതറും അമരവിളക്കായി തെളിയും സുരഭില സൗഹൃദമേ
Ha ha ha!
सब भारतीय है।